Hello and welcome. My name is Jen Pearsall. I'm a Solutions Specialist with ErieTec at our St. Mary's location. Today I wanted to share information on a bearing from Smith Bearing that in the right application will save your business money, reduce downtime, ease installation and removal, and why we're finding this product to last longer for our customers.
The topic in this presentation will be cam followers, specifically Smith Bearing crowned cam followers. So, are you having trouble with misalignment? Are your cam followers underperforming? Are they skidding or failing? Are you busting your knuckles to remove cam followers and struggling with installation of the replacement? I'm going to show you the great benefits this cam follower has to offer your business, talk about the product's features, and I should also mention these parts are made right here in the USA in our neighboring state of New Jersey. So let's jump into it. So what factors can shorten the life of your cam followers? Well, heavy loading, misalignment, even slight misalignment of track or housing, and this can even be caused by settling of the machinery or foundation, turntables and rotary cams. So why crowned cam followers? Well, it's really difficult to have a perfectly aligned surface-to-surface contact on a cam follower. Misalignment causes corner loading, so the load is not in the center of the bearing, but on the edge. The crown shape increases the point of that contact, and it distributes the load, compensating for misalignment. It reduces skidding. It'll increase your bearing life. Crowned cam followers can last 3 times longer than a standard cam follower. We've actually seen customers buying less because the crowned is a solution in many different applications. Here's a visual comparing a cylindrical OD on the left with misalignment versus the crowned on the right. With 20% more surface contact on the crown OD, the load is forced towards the center of the bearing. So on the left, the cylindrical OD of the cam follower riding on a not 100% perfectly flat surface will lead to edge or corner loading. On the right, a slight crown will help direct that load to the center of the rolling elements, reduces or the results are up to 3 times the life of the cam follower, helping to distribute that load in heavy loads or shock loading and misalignment. Let's take it a step further, and we're going to talk about how a seal can benefit your business. The job of a seal is to keep the dirt out and keep the lubrication in. Seals are going to allow that bearing to perform longer and do what it's designed to do much better when it's not contaminated. A small feature that in the long run save you money by replacing less often and keeping production running for even longer periods of time. The hex hole. I've heard a lot of opinions from many people about what they think about the person who designed the straight-headed screwdriver. The good news is we have options. A couple benefits to the hex option. For both installing and removing, you can get more torque, holding power and control with a hex head wrench or an Allen wrench versus a straight screwdriver. Sometimes the places these cam followers are installed really doesn't leave much room for hands and tools in these tight places. The hex wrench can fit in a much smaller area than a straight screwdriver, and you may just save some skin on your knuckles. So with more control, less slipping, faster and easier installing, and even with all these extra features, we see lower prices on the Smith Bearing cam followers compared to other brands with basic standard options. In most applications, crown cam followers can replace worn or failed cylindrical versions one at a time as needed until all are changed over to the crowned option. Your Solutions Specialist at ErieTec can work with the Smith Bearing engineers for your specific application. We've seen in many cases an upgraded, sealed, crowned, and hex Smith Bearing is more cost effective than other brands without sacrificing that high industrial standards that your business depends on. So that's our introduction to Smith bearing crowned cam followers with seals and hex options. Made in the USA, high industrial standards. We've been a distributor with Smith bearings for over 60 years. This is another long-lasting solution provided to you by ErieTec and our great relationship with Smith bearings. We stock Smith bearing cam followers in many sizes and options at all of our ErieTec branches. Call your Solutions Specialist and start your savings today. Thank you for watching this video, and we look forward to talking to you soon.